What's up, everybody? I'm happy to share another roll of HP5 I shot a couple weeks ago. Yes, my fingers are broken. Don't worry about that. I shot a couple of weeks ago in Laguna. It was a really stormy, kind of cloudy day, kind of perfect lighting because, as you know, cloudy days are the best days for a lot of different types of photos. So I'm happy to share this roll with you. It's been kind of a slow month. The first shot on the roll, which is going to be last in the video, was shot 2 weeks before the rest of the roll. I walk around every day looking for something to shoot and not really finding a whole lot right now. So I was happy to finish that one. I shot 7 or 6 more shots of color that same day, but I didn't finish that roll until a few days ago. So that's going to be here in about 6 days, I think. I'll be able to show you those. So enjoy these photos. Let me know what you think. And technical notes. Since it was cloudy, my rule, if it's cloudy, I shoot 1 stop over, depending on the skin tone, but generally it's 1 stop over. So this was HP5 400 and I rated it at 200. And there you go. Let me know what you think and what you want to see next. Talk to you soon. Chin down. Tilt your head this way a little bit. Right there. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Chin down. Chin to the left a little bit. Right there. Keep your eyes closed. Part your lips. Breathe through your mouth. Breathe through your mouth. Big lip. Part your lips a bunch. Chin down, down, down. Part your lips. Breathe through your mouth. Slowly open your eyes. Yes. Look at me. Look at me. Rachel, look at me. Close your eyes. Part your lips, breathe through your mouth. Big part of your lips. Open. Chin up a little bit. Beautiful. Chin down. Suck in. Beautiful. Part your lips a bunch. Let your mouth fall open. That is it. Eyes up higher. Actually down, 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 down. Eyes down, eyes down. Don't move your head. Turn your head that way a little more. Eyes down. Right there, right there, right there. That's it. Rod. Chin down. Look straight at me. Chin down, down, down. Right there, right there, right there. Freeze. Eyes up a little bit. Right there, right there. Not like right here. Eyes right here. Right there. Right there, right there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Rod.
And a flesh-rotting disease that is warned to you in Zedekiah, Zechariah, and Amos. They take 2/3 of the world's population and kills them. Famine, pestilence, and the sword.